Azerbaijan's Deputy Minister of Environment, Umaira Tagiyeva, is calling for collaborative solutions to address climate change, ecosystem protection, and the transition to renewable energy. Speaking days after the conclusion of the 7th session of the United Nations Environment Assembly in Nairobi, Tagiyeva urged nations to demonstrate stronger commitment towards building climate resilience.
We deeply appreciate Kenya's active and constructive participation in COP29, which contribute meaningful to the negotiation and outcomes. Azerbaijan values Kenya's engagement and leadership, and we look forward to building on the spirit of COP29 by deepening our bilateral cooperation and working together toward a more resilient and sustainable future.
Looking forward to fruitful engagement with Kenya. Kenya is big on climate-related issues, as was mentioned here before. Kenya is also playing a very important role in taking the urban agenda forward, including for your affordable housing program. So we do look forward to this process becoming yet another avenue of our successful partnership between our countries.